And this is the lumber shop that I'm planning to go. This is SBQ merchandise. So I was told this is just a furniture shop. They don't sell the raw wood. But look at this, what he's making. This is Jimelina. Double bed ni Dudong, no? 60 by 75. You can order the size of your bed in this place. And then you just buy the mattress to match it. And like I said, you can order your mattress by your size in Mandawi foam. This is 9,500. So 9,500 pesos for this Jimelina double wood with headboard. Mahogany. So you can see this set here. For this design, you have usa ka center table, duha ka side table. So look at this side. This 3-seater wood made of pure mahogany. And you will have 2 side table and 1 center table for 16,000. Wala na nila hangyo. Wala na nilas. So that's 16,000 including the deliver anywhere sa Cebu. Anywhere here in Cebu, bisag probinsya.
Ano dapit ka?
Naga.
Naga?
Karkar dapit ba?
Karkar, 500.
So that one is only Cebu City, but if you're in the provinces, they charge another one. So you can see these are the factory of the wood. Nya kanang mga inana nga bangko sir, tagpila na. Para man sa kananan no? Dining. So this one, mahogany gyapon sir. So this is a Jimelina wood. They're still sanding this one. That's 1,500. Yung palit na lang kag phone mo. Dali kay bukbukon.
Wayan, pila ka magbukok ilis. Kana, yun na.
He's saying this is a better investment than buying your furniture in bamboo. Bamboo, you need to change it. Duhara kayo nakatuig ang bamboo sir no. Isa na sir no. So this is, he said this is a lifetime kind of furniture. The bamboo, it starts squeaking after a year. Mga sa katuig no, mag-yok-yok na. Sometimes it's even less than a year if the bamboo is low quality. So this is another alternative for you. We have a local manufacturer. Mohimo sad bo sir kanang imo mag-design kag ako
dada lang.
So they also make, if you make your own design tables, kanang table, chair, they'll make it and then they'll give you a price. There are about 4 or 5 of them making like this, so you can canvas the price. Mas maayo di. Tepa, tanaw ko sir ha. So I'm asking him some permission to look around the factory. So this is where they make it. Like there are people there. Sanding. Tanaw ko ga. So some are sanding, some are planing. So this is across Jimmy's Lumber. It's called CBQ Furniture. This is their factory. So if you want alternative furniture made of solid wood, mahogany, or Jimelina, or they can even make an order for Lawaan or Nara. You can have it priced. They can also make whatever size you do. So look at this one. This is gonna be a table. Well, it's solid wood. Oh no, it's not gonna be a table. It's a door. So it's like pieces of wood glued together. Make it look solid. And this is their factory. So they got their pile of chairs. Some are already varnishing, ready for, and some are still making. So those are the furnitures that they do. So this is called SBQ Furniture Merchandise. Their contact number is 932-0998-8433. 0998-8433. So, this is a Jimelina solid wood double bed. Look at them working without all the cover on their face. I'm the one who's covering my face. Can smell all the lacquer and the sun. So this is amazing. The another, matanaw ko ma'am. Wala, nindot yung design. Wow, this is another kind of wood that I like. These are the designs. The laminate ones, different cuts of wood.